This problem asks us how many diagonals with negative slope can be drawn. Okay, a diagonal is connecting a vertex. So in this image, you're connecting the points. And remember that slope is rise over run, how much the line goes up divided by how much the line goes across. And that in this case, we're looking for a negative slope, so we want a line that slopes down from left to right. Well, a line from the point at negative 4, 7 to 5, 0 is a negative slope. The line or diagonal from 0, 10 to 5, 0 would be a negative slope. And the line or diagonal drawn from 3, 10 to 5, 0 would have a negative slope. So we have 3. In this situation, we have A, B, and C have slopes of x, y, and z. Which of the following is the correct ordering of the slopes? Remember that a slope is rise over run. How much the line goes up divided by how much the line goes across. Line A, remember a horizontal line has 0 slope. Line B, a line sloping down right to left has a negative slope. And line C, a line sloping up from right to left, has a positive slope. So let's carefully sort through what this tells us. Well, the negative is going to be less than the 0, which will be less than the positive. Let's match them up with their lines. That means B, the negative slope, would be less than A, which is the 0 slope, which would be less than C. And let's correspond those letters with x, y, and z, and we come up with y is less than x, which is less than z. This is a slope problem, and remember slope is rise over run, the change in y divided by the change in x. In this question we're told that the slope of line segment AB has a slope of 4, and that point A has the coordinates 2m, and B has the coordinates 12n, and then we want the value of n minus m. Well, the value of n minus m would be equivalent to the rise in the line that creates a slope of 4. Well, let's look at the change in x, or the change in the run. It goes from 12 to 2, or 2 to 12, that's a distance of 10. So the change in y, or the change in the rise, divided by 10 has to equal 4. Well, if we're going to get 4 there, we cross multiply, the change in y has to be 4 times 10, or 40. So n minus m has to be 40.